Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today's do-it-yourself how to make a face shield. And in today's world of viruses and germs, personal protection is very important. So let's make a face shield out of plastic bottles, like this one, and from this one, and also from this one. But sorry Coca-Cola, your shape is too awkward and too many wrinkles in the plastic. And sorry 7-Up and Mountain Dew, your color green doesn't give enough visibility or clear transparency. This is probably the best because of its smooth surface and clear plastic. So let's get started. As you can see from this plastic 2-liter bottle, the surface is smooth and clear. Therefore, this is the best for the face shield. We're going to start off and show you where to cut. Exactly right here. And I'm going to tape off the edge so I know where to cut the straight line. And I'll use a knife to start me off, then I'll go with the scissors. And after I take off the tape, I'm going to trim off the plastic slivers. Now I'll show you my second cut. And again, I'll tape it off to give me a straight edge cut. Now I'll cut off the section where there's glue on the plastic. And now we get a basic idea of what it's gonna look like. Now I'm going to trim off the corner because they're a little sharp. Then I'm going to use either masking tape or black electrical tape for the edging. I do this for aesthetic look because I think it looks much better. Plus, the edges are still a little sharp. And I end up using the black tape. What do you think? Should I have used the other one? So I only tape half the side, and then I fold the other side over. And I do it throughout all the edges, and then I trim the corners. Okay, looking good. Now I mark off the hole where my elastic rubber bands are going to go, so it goes around my ears. And you can use the hole puncher to make the holes. Or you can use your knife. And now that I've got my 2 holes, I'm going to use my elastic rubber bands. So if you don't like the rubber bands to go around your ears, you can put a couple of them together so you can wrap them around the head. Now it's time to put the support that goes around the forehead section. So I've got a few ideas for this. I got extra backer rod material I use for my driveway. I could cut off 7 to 8 inches and glue it onto the forehead section. Or I could use this window insulation with a sticky backing already in it. Or this other styrofoam pad that also has another sticky behind it. You can tell I'm a little bit of a pack rat. I keep all my stuff I use for my other old projects. Or you could always use towels, cut them into strips, and glue them together. Whatever is best for you and whatever you can find around the house. And in my case, this one would be the best for me. And there you go, your own personal do-it-yourself face shield. So if you liked this video and found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.